Welcome to the life of a Welsh folk pop star. You might think you're not a fan, but you probably are. If you were to miss me, it would be a shame. The Welsh Whisperer is my name.
The landscape, the food, the beer, the language, the ladies. I wouldn't want to live anywhere else in the world, apart from maybe Uruguay or Disneyland. Yeah, Wales is home for me. Wales and maybe Disneyland. Hi, I'm the Welsh Whisperer. You might remember me from my smash hit Ales and Tales of Wales. Oh, Rhys is a man who's been a farmer all his life. He sees the sheep and cattle much more than he sees his wife. He wondered what she was up to while he worked the mountain land. Turns out she was in the parlour giving the milkman a hand. Hello. Right, what you got for me then? Any gigs? A charity calendar shoot. Alright, why not? What's it for? Help the aged? Well, yeah, I'm not that old, but alright, maybe. Nude? How much? I have to pay 50 quid. Again? What? So this is the Welsh Whisperer's home studio. I'm working on a track at the moment that's going to be on my new album, Rhubarb in the Wind. It's a waltzy number, hence the headdress, so I'll show you now. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry for love. I'm hungry. Yeah, things have slowed down quite a little bit in terms of record sales. It's not really how it used to be when you used to have to actually buy music. You couldn't just download it off the internet like you can now. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Hello? Rhiannon, the dog grooming business is closed today. I don't care if Bets on the Poodle's not getting her daily rinse. Off the record, I used to actually try and make counterfeit copies. By melting wax over the vinyl, I thought you could make replicas and sell them on for a tidy profit. I ruined 23 of my favourite Welsh folk vinyls doing that. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry for love. So I got an email saying I could buy fans to boost my online profile. I went for it. I bought 50,000 fans on MySpace and Bebo for 200 quid. Not sure if it's been worth it though. Hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry for love. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry for love.